In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the snipping tool. You should have pinned the snipping tool down here onto your taskbar. The snipping tool allows you to capture an image that is currently projected on your screen. So the image that you're wanting to show or capture does need to be on your screen right now. So let's say I want to capture this Google image right here. What you're going to do is click on the scissors, the snipping tool, and it'll bring up this box right here. You are going to then click on the word new, and you will notice that it grays out your screen. That is showing you so that you can still see what's on the screen, but not the parts that the parts that you actually snip will become brighter. Now, you will see that it gives me this plus sign. My goal is to be able to create a box using this plus sign. So to do that for this Google, I'm going to go all the way over here to the corner, and I'm going to put my plus sign at the top of that corner. Then to create the box, I am not going to just click with my mouse, but just like you would click to get on a web page or something, I will use my left mouse button and I will hold that down while I drag with my finger to capture the area that I want to capture. So if I just want to get this Google area here, I'm going to stop my red box right there, and then I'm going to release. As soon as you release the button, which may take some practice, but as soon as you release the button, it will then put the image that you captured into the Snipping Tool app. Now, there are two different things. For a lot of what we do, all you will need to do from here is right-click on the image, so not the one that you click around on web pages, but the other side, and you will make a copy of that image. Once you have copied that image, you are going to be able to, like if we want you to email it to us, you can do Control-V to paste it, and you'll see that it pops up here. There may be a time where you go ahead and take that screenshot and paste it into another document, which is what you're going to be doing here in just a minute. You may end up having certain times where you need to save it, but that will be rare. So to save it, you can either go to File, Save As, or if you try to exit out, it's going to ask if you want to save it. If you only needed to copy and paste it into an email or onto a document, you do not need to save it. There are other snipping softwares out there that we may end up touching on later, but for now, this will give you a very brief do the little bits that we're going to need from you to do. Okay?